Hi everyone. In this lesson I'm going to demonstrate how to overlap things. The first one is a very simple item. Just simply we'll draw a square. And when you're drawing straight lines, just do a point here and just look at that point. Do a point there, look at that point, and generally it comes out reasonably square. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a circle. Now when you overlap items, you'll notice that it creates space, a little bit of three-dimensional space. So we immediately look at this square and we see that it's in front. That's obvious, but for the purpose of this lesson I'm just doing this very, very simple to show you how it works. Right, so in this one I've just drawn a few elements. This is from a still life painting by Chardin, and just got a beaker cup here, a glass bottle, and a couple of fruit items. It's not exactly the same as his painting, but it's pretty similar. Okay, so I'll put in the bottle first, and I'll put it about here and here. Okay, now when we draw anything symmetrical like a bottle, it often helps to do a center line. So we'll just do that center line like so. There are ellipses here, of course, but I won't worry just now. We'll do all that refining later. Okay, so this is our glass bottle, and this curves around. I'll fix that up later. We'll put the beaker here. Beaker comes to about there if I just work out where it is by drawing a line across to here. Okay, so there's the little beaker. Well, I just took this a bit further and had some fun with it, and also added a few more things to this just to try and make the point. I'm going to do something a bit different here. Okay, I'm just going to use circles. Now I'm going to make a horizon line up here, and I'm going to start from here and come around. Well, back again. I've just filled in this so as not to make the video go for too long, but I'll start putting some tone into this now and make it showing you still overlapping but creating what I think is a very interesting picture. So overlapping is fundamental to making really realistic type pictures and giving depth into the picture. It's a good design. It creates interest. So there we are, viewer. I didn't want to take it too much further, otherwise be here all night. But any kind of group picture like this is always a challenge, and it's a good challenge because it really makes you, push yourself a bit further. But if you're just starting out in drawing, I don't recommend trying this sort of thing just yet. I would think it would be best to just look at some of my beginner videos, perhaps, if you're just starting out. But nothing like a challenge in art. It's all a challenge, actually. So that's the idea of overlapping. So when we overlap, we add depth to the picture, and it creates an interesting whole. Now, with a still life like this, you're not thinking of the individual elements. You're thinking of the whole design. And likewise with a group study like this, you're not thinking of any. I mean, obviously she's the sort of more dominant figure, but she is supported by these other two characters, and so it's always the group sort of aspect that creates the interest in the picture. So I hope you got something out of this, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'd ask if you could support my channel. I'm almost 1,000 students. I started this year, and 1,000 subscriptions. So please support me. I'm pushing myself every week to provide things for you. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video. And please check out my channel if you like to see what other videos I've got. Plenty up there. Thank you.